U MLA ka maulai na ka Voice of the People Party, uba Bright Star Well Marbanyang, uloong ba ka VPP kadang abya ka Hukum jong ka Meghalaya High Court, halor ka no objection certificate lani ka NOC, ya ukritong jong ka u Batskhem Myrboh. Uba Marbanyang, uloong bakat kum ki kendon jong ka UGC, amday bandon kanu ka jingïada ban ay ka NOC, nada unong tray uba pendep ki kendon ki badon kam, watla ka kam kadang don ha ka Meghalaya High Court, Hindray uloong ba ka VPP kamla ban shuam Hindray kadang pen kreru ya ka election shiteng samoy Shillong parliamentary constituency kabalawan hadien ba ka Shuki MP kala thili hakasdang jong uni usnam.
This problem? See, in fact, I think you might be aware the matter is with the Meghalaya High Court, and I think it's now it's up to the to the Meghalaya High Court. I think in a day or two, the Meghalaya High Court would issue an order, and accordingly, whoever have to abide by that order, they have to. So I see no reason that, in fact, if you go by the UGC regulation, if you have completed 1 year service, if there is anything from the management, they will inform the person concerned if there is anything adverse. But then if there is nothing, automatically it has been confirmed, and once confirmed, that means NEHU, they just need to give the NOC.
But anything political in this move?
And that is for them, we don't know. But for us, because see, election is maybe by October or November, so we cannot just sit, we have to fight.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.